Welcome to Mastering Angel One DMAT App, the ultimate tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to use the Angel One DMAT app to manage your investments effectively. Let's get started. First, download the Angel One DMAT app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once downloaded, open the app and log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Register button to create a new one. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the home screen of the app. Here, you can access various features such as viewing your portfolio, placing orders, exploring market trends, and much more. To view your portfolio, click on the Portfolio tab. This will show you a comprehensive overview of your investments, including your holdings, unrealized gains, and losses. You can also track the performance of individual stocks, mutual funds, and other investment instruments. Now, let's learn how to place an order. Tap on the Trade tab and choose whether you want to buy or sell securities. Select the appropriate category, such as equities or derivatives, and enter the required details like quantity, price, and validity. Review your order and click Confirm to execute it. Another useful feature is Market Trends. By clicking on the Trends tab, you can access real-time market data, news, and research reports to make informed investment decisions. Stay updated with the latest market trends and seize profitable opportunities. Remember, the Angel One DMAT app is designed to provide a seamless experience, allowing you to manage your investments on the go. Explore the app, discover its features, and make the most out of your investments. Thanks for watching this tutorial on Mastering Angel One DMAT app, the ultimate tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and useful investment tips. Happy investing!